Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today's star of the show, simple and delicious Scotch eggs. These beautiful little protein bundles of goodness have been around for hundreds of years. Debatable on where they originated from, but for sure they're an old British classic. I love them. I'm going to give you different options on seasonings and coatings. Let's put these together. So my water is just beginning to boil. I'm going to gently put in my eggs. You want to maintain just a gentle boil throughout. If it boils too hard, it may crack the eggs with it bouncing around. And after 5 minutes, we'll take those out and put them into a pot of water and ice to quickly cool them down. Living life the way I do. Well, if you don't love me, baby, please don't pretend you do. The eggs have cooled down and they've been peeled. Now I'm using a spicy Italian sausage. This is a fairly small to a medium-sized sausage. It's about 3.5 ounces. I'll cut the casing off these, and one of these just happened to work perfectly per egg. Now you have some options. You can buy pork, ground pork, season it the way you like. Italian seasonings, whatever ones that you prefer, maybe just some salt and pepper. I have also used ground turkey, and it's fabulous. If you're looking for a lower fat, the ground turkey just loves to be absorbed by flavors. And I added a curry to it. It was outstanding. So there's a couple of options, and ground beef as well. So I'll start removing the meat from our casing. Once you've sliced down the casing, the meat is easily removed. Like so. So let's begin to wrap the egg. As I mentioned, I have about 3.5 ounces of pork sausage here. We're going to roll this up just like we were going to make a burger patty. Use a plate, flatten it out, about 1/4 inch thick. Now peel that off. Not to worry if it tears a little bit, you can fix that with your fingers. And we'll drop our egg in it and begin to roll it up. Just takes a few minutes. Pinch the ends together. Take your time. And there it is. I'll finish these up and then we'll get to our coating. So let's start coating our eggs. We need an egg well beaten with 1/2 teaspoon of water, some flour, and some breadcrumbs. I'll be using Italian breadcrumbs. You can use regular breadcrumbs. Panko's a good option. So first, into the egg wash. Nicely covered. And into the flour. After the flour, one more time in the egg wash. After the egg wash, into the breadcrumbs. Coat them well. And then just kind of gently pack them right into the meat. Lightly greased pan. So during the coating, one of my egg yolks broke, but I'm not wasting it. Simply, all I did was put it in an oven-safe bowl. We'll put it alongside. We're not wasting that. 375, 30 to 35 minutes, and we're going to roll them halfway through. Let's get them in the oven. They're gonna be terrific.
Living life the way I do. Well, if you don't love me, baby, please don't pretend you do. Thank you. We got lots coming up, so stick around, everyone.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Scotch eggs are so versatile, they travel well. Take them on a picnic, take them biking, take them to lunch. You can also warm them up, and they're great with many different sauces. They're good with gravy. They're good with a ranch dressing. They're good with a curry and mayonnaise dressing. Goes on and on. Get creative, make it your own. I've put together a little yogurt and fresh dill together. Ketchup even works. Marinara sauce. Well, listen, if you enjoyed this recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my videos. You'll get notified every Monday when I put out a new one. Now I'm going to try the goods. They're so tender. Little sauce. Oh. Wow. So tender and moist. A little crunch on the outside. That dill sauce works. Well, I think you're going to enjoy these. Thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.